So Twitter's coming out with a subscription thing, and they're trying to charge people for getting the subscription. I just don't imagine how I could, like, me personally, pay a subscription to tweet. But I don't know. I mean, look, I can imagine that Twitter is trying to figure out better ways to monetize. Facebook has really cracked that monetization code with their ads, and they dominate in that space. And Google has also done it with ads, Google ads. Twitter has Twitter ads, but I just don't think that anyone's thinking, let me like use Twitter ads. Like, but again, I'm not a Twitter user really. I'm not like browsing through Twitter. I go on Twitter to post and then I leave. So let's check out this Twitter Blue and see if it's worth it, if it's worth the subscription. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all of the above. It really pushes this video out in the algorithm and encourages me to make more videos. This video is brought to you by Brand Video Pro. We help brands and influencers scale their influence and sales. So if that is useful to you, head on over to our website, click the link down below, and find out how we can help you. All right, let's begin.
Are you ready to take Twitter to the next level? Then you need to sign up for Twitter Blue. So you can Twitter faster, stronger, harder, smarter, and also stronger. Wow. I can feel the difference. Twitter Blue is a premium subscription with features like bookmark folders, ad-free articles, and
Is this like a comedy? Is this like I feel like somebody, it feels like something that, like, I don't know, Trevor Noah is making or SNL is making, and they're making fun of Twitter. There's a little bit of satire there.
And undo tweet. Now tweet.
Why is that? You can undo tweet? Can't you just delete your tweet? What's the difference?
Now tweet and undo. It's exercise, but it's also staring at your phone, which is what I like to do. Let's check out ad-free articles. Now pick one and scroll. You're doing great. R.I.P. Twitter. More like let's get ripped, Twitter. Give those sad noodles you call fingers the up.
Okay, this is obviously, okay. People were making fun of Twitter here. There's satire, and I recognize that guy.
Give those sad noodles you call fingers the upgrade they deserve with Twitter Blue. Join your heroes and sign up for Twitter Blue today.
Okay, anyway, Twitter Blue is $2.99 a month. I haven't like seen anything on there that looks like remotely appealing for me to even pay $2.99 a month. But I guess it makes sense if like the New York Times and all these like publications try to charge you like $1.99 a month, you know. People in that like space that pay, like, read articles online, and there are a lot of people that read articles online and read like our Twitter, reading on Twitter. A lot of people are doing that, and for them it actually makes sense. It actually makes sense to get that. I guess if you were an avid Twitter user, it's not that expensive. It's not like you're paying YouTube, you know, $9.99, which I happily pay every month to YouTube. So like, I guess if it's worth it to you, go get it. But for me, I'm just not on Twitter, so I guess I'm not the best person, or I'm not their target audience. But to me, ultimately, it makes sense. Like, and the price point is pretty good. $2.99, that's not terrible, but the price point is really good for what it is. And it makes sense. All these companies need to find other ways to monetize. The subscription model has worked for a lot of people, and Twitter's just trying to get on that subscription model because people in the subscription game are making a killing. Anyway, those are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenim, and see you next time. A peace.